This is the brown list. Number 1, Jack. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Number 2 is brain. My brain hurts from taking this very hard math test. Number 3 is rash. I got a rash on my hands after I touched poison ivy. Number 4 is Maine. I took the main road into the city. Number 5 is chain. I wrapped a chain around the safe to keep my money from being stolen. Number 6 is said. Mr. Williams said that we should try to do the Adventure Fun Run. Number 7 is space. There's a space at the top of the page where you should write your name. Number 8 is black. The zebra is covered with black and white stripes. Number 9 is paint. Mr. Taylor will paint the hallway over the weekend when there's no children in the school. Number 10 is blame. You should say the problem, but you should not blame anyone. Number 11 is faint. It was so hot and I hadn't drunk enough water, so I felt like I could faint. Number 12 is camp. We will camp by the river. Number 13 is frame. I put the photograph into a frame. Number 14 is rain. Because it began to rain, I opened my umbrella. Number 15 is pain. I got a pain in my foot after I dropped a book on it. Number 16 is place. Please place your used library books into the bin. Number 17 is train. We will ride the train into the city. Number 18 is want. I want to have a second dessert. Number 19 is tail. The tail of the mouse was poking out from under the rock. Number 20 is flash. I saw a flash of lightning during the thunderstorm.